Although cough is the most prominent disease symptom for which patients seek the advice of a doctor, its evaluation relies on the subjective assessment of the patients themselves. However, research has shown that these are unreliable. This makes it difficult to determine the right treatment and to manage the disease, which may lead to an impaired quality of life, complications, or preventable hospitalizations. With ResGuard Med by Resmonics, patients and medical professionals now have the chance to evaluate cough objectively. ResGuard Med is a CE-certified medical device based on multiple years of research, during which our AI has been developed and peer-reviewed. Today, it is one of the most validated and efficient tools to assess and monitor respiratory symptoms. It can tell you how often you coughed, what type of cough you had, and if other persons in the room were coughing too. But what do these objective symptom measurements mean for you? With ResGuard Med, you can compare your cough frequency with different clinical populations. Our technology alerts you if your cough exceeds normal levels. Our patented technology is privacy-friendly, as all your sensitive data is analyzed on the device and stays on it. ResGuard Med runs on smart devices and can be integrated into smartphone apps. No extra hardware is required. If you want to learn more, schedule a call with our experts or email us at contact@resmonics.ai.